First, make sure you move your car above the point of origin. By so doing, this will let your values remain positive. Don't also forget to always make sure your car faces the y-axis before you start to rig its components. Next, you separate the wheel components from the body. After that, you move your cursor to the wheels and you had empty. Make sure you select the rim and tire. Immediately after you are done with this selection, then you parent them together by pressing Ctrl P and you select option 2, which is object transformation. Make sure you repeat this same procedure for the remaining tires. Immediately after that, select all the wheels and move them into a collection by pressing M to create a new collection box. And you change the name tag to tires to better understand what you are doing. Next, you hide the tire collections and you had empty to parent the entire component of the car body. Kindly take note of this. Don't scale this particular empty at all. If you decide to scale it, it will definitely disrupt the entire output of your rig. Now, the final part is to label the empties individually by changing their name tag. In this context, look at the way I will be doing mine. Just take a look at the way I want to tag mine. I'll be starting with the front left wheel. Make sure your label follows this same sequence. First, you input the car name. The car I'm currently using is a BMW. So it's going to be followed by an hyphen. Next, you write wheels, put a dot. You abbreviate front by writing FT. You put another dot again and you put L. Make sure as you decide to change this name tag, there are no spacing at all. Feel free to replicate this same tagging style for the other wheels. But bear in mind that the tag for the back wheels will look like this: BMW-wheel.bk, which is the abbreviation for back, .L for the left hand side. Finally, you put the body tag, and the body tag will be BMW.body. Immediately after that, you select all the empties and press Shift A. Immediately after you press Shift A, you scroll down to the armature and you branch out to car deformation rig to apply bones. As soon as you have done that, you click on N to bring forth the RIGACAR menu for you to generate the rig. As soon as the RIGACAR menu appears, just go to your far right and you click on Generate Rig. Congrats! If your interface looks exactly like mine, then you've done a good job. And if it doesn't, I will advise you to go over this tutorial once again. Now let's check if everything is working perfectly. Okay, I think everything is working perfectly. If you encounter any difficulty, kindly let me know in the comment section. I promise to guide you through the process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Good luck.